Before this new era, we had tons of orders. We had a backlog that went 18 months out. So if we didn't have one material, the plan or production could go to a different order and then start producing the orders. We decided that we wanted to have a firm frozen schedule, and that we as a company we needed to commit to have the materials ready for the production area to follow a specific sequence of production. Uh, because of that, we started having better and better service results, and that what that created was for the customers to see, you know what, time is improving, time is delivering on time. So this may not be the correct demand, so let me adjust my demand to exactly my needs on dates. So that created an adjustment on the order book that we have, that reduced our visibility of demand to instead of the next 18 months to the next 6 months. And that forces us to be even more precise on the planning process, on getting the material ready, and then production following a specific production plan.